Right, I just want to show you annual meadow grass after you've scarified. I've heard many people, experts so-called, say, especially at turf farms when you ring up and say, "I'll say meadow grass in this turf," I've just been up and they'll say, well, what you want to do is you want to scarify it and it'll come out because it's a really weak rooting plant. And I'm here to tell you that that's not the case. I'm just about to go over this. And look, one there and one there. Now I'm pulling on that with all my might and it's not coming out. That is anchored in there. No scarifier or whatever is going to get the root out. It might rip through this lateral growth and spew it all over the place, but you ain't going to get annual meadow grass out. So that's going to have to be dug out while it's there. So just a little bit of education there for you. So, finished scarifying and digging out some annual meadow grass. I'll have one more walk over on the day when we seed to get rid of any more annual meadow grass. I'm going to cut this a little bit shorter with the cylinder, just not doing it today, it's too cold, I'm freezing. So, a few gaps from worm casts and hey, it's snowing again. But we still got a lawn. So I'm really pleased this year. We've got a few holes over there. One in particular, it's like a golf hole, doesn't it? Maybe leave that in and get a flag, see how that goes down. But so next job on this is to scalp it with the cylinder and then overseed it and top dress. Again, I'm just going to use the Jack's Magic here this year because we've almost got full coverage. This is probably the best it's looked after a winter and after a spring feed, so let's just not do too much to this year. Let's have less stress because this one last year was, oh, if I didn't have any greys, I certainly do now. So let's just have a nice year and get the party started sooner rather than later. So we've got this area here under the pleached hedging, so it just dies off now. So I've scarified it and left some ridges. I'll probably go over that again and then add a bit of a wetting agent because it's a bit dry, some Quilibra, and then overseed it. But I'll cover this area over with some fleece, and then it gives it a bit more protection from birds and stuff, and any water that will wash the seed away won't if there's a bit of a covering on it. So I'm looking forward to this job. It's hope for a good year.